Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to back up data in Telegram and transfer data to another device. So let's start. So first let's go to Telegram and then let's go to the left corner, the three lines just there, and then let's go to settings. Here on settings let's scroll down and let's go to data and storage. Here let's go to automatic media download and activate everything. Also, you can save to gallery. If you want to activate everything, you can do it. So you have to activate all of these options. And then let's go to data storage. Here, let's scroll down and let's go to auto remove cache media. Here you can modify everything. So if you want to delete something, you can click never. If you don't want to delete anything, just never. And channels. Now, if you want to start login with another device, you can log it with the same user and password, and then everything that you save, like pictures, GIFs, videos, or something, appears in the other device. So you have to be sure about your storage. It's never delete your channels, stories, group chats, private chats. That way you will do it, as well as these options that were activated. So that's the way to do it on Telegram. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a like to this video.